So they put the pedal to the metal and they drive exuberant speeds.
Good morning, first of all, Sharlene.
Good morning, Francois.
Yeah. And if you wonder where we are at the Absolute Vehicle Systems, 24 Edison Square.
Edison Street, Southern Industrial, that's correct.
As easy as that.
Yes.
Speed cruises, I mean, that is a luxury. That's something that everybody wants in his car, even me. And it's a small thing. Tell us about the speed cruises that you guys are selling and some of the benefits.
Speed cruise control that you install into your vehicle is basically, it helps you save fuel. Because some people, unfortunately, are born with lead foot syndrome. So they put the pedal to the metal and they drive exuberant speed, which is not allowed in Namibia.
Exactly, 120. Anyway, let me just
120 is the speed limit, the max speed limit. So what you do when you put in the cruise control, you can set it. So you only drive at 120 kilometers per hour. Doesn't mean need to be just a flat surface that it works on. Even if you go uphill, if you go downhill, normally you pick up speed, but with the cruise control, it will keep the speed at 120.
At 120, yes. That is awesome. But now, Sharlene, here comes my multi-million-dollar question. Is that standard equipment? Can I just say I'm going to bring my Kia, or is every car specifically designed?
Every car is specifically designed.
What do you need?
We basically need what type of car you have, year model, petrol, diesel, manual, automatic, 4x4, 2x4. We need all that information in order to get you the correct kit.
So it's vitally important to make sure that the correct information is being sent through to Absolute Vehicle Systems.
That's correct, yes.
It's an investment at the cost.
It is an investment,
So obviously
yes.
You also ask a deposit for that?
Yeah, we ask for a 50% deposit if you agree on the quotation that we make, just to secure the stock for you, as it is very specific per vehicle. If we order the stock and you do not take it, it might take a while before we get another car that really wants that kit.
Where can they get hold of you?
You can phone us, you can send us an email.
Or bring your car.
Or you can just come around with your... Just pop in with your vehicle.
So imagine a WINDHOEK Ketmanshoop 500 kilos with a speed cruise.
Yeah.
I think one of the benefits for me is you can sit and chill in your car without stretching or hurting or pulling your muscles. Now look at that, there you are. Your speed control available at Absolute Vehicle Systems. I am Frans Lottering, Free Motor Media, Namibia, WINDHOEK.